morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the question answers of chapter 5, Earth Our Home, lecture 4, standard 6 SS, chapter 5, lecture 4, and name of the chapter is Earth Our Home. Got it? My dear student, first question. What is meant by latitudes? What is meant by latitudes? I already explained. The horizontal imaginary lines. The horizontal imaginary lines means sleeping lines. Okay, got it? So the horizontal imaginary lines drawn on the globe are called latitudes. My dear student, latitudes are fully circle. Latitudes are fully circle. So the horizontal imaginary lines drawn on the globe are called latitudes. Means sleeping line. Got it? Imaginary line. Next one. What is meant by longitude? What is meant by longitude? In latitude, I say sleeping line. Here I have to say standing line, vertical line. Got it? Not much difference. Okay. What is meant by longitudes? Number one, here the vertical imaginary lines. The vertical imaginary lines drawn on the globe are called longitudes. My dear student, here I say fully circle, but they are not fully circle. They are half circle. Okay, they are half circle. Latitudes are fully circle, while longitudes are half circle. Okay, got it? What is an equator? Next question. What is an equator? My dear student, the 0 degree latitude. The 0 degree latitude which passes from the center of the earth, which passes from the center of the earth and divides the earth into two halves, north and some southern hemisphere, that is called equator. The 0 degree latitude. Okay, the 0 degree latitude horizontal imaginary line passes from actual middle of the earth. Okay, and divides the earth into two halves, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, that is called equator. Got it? The 0 degree latitude which divides the earth into two parts, which passes from the center of the earth, divides the earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, that is called equator. Got it? Next, what is Tropic of Cancer? What is Tropic of Cancer? My dear student, normally I give one clue. Normally we say that we got cancer. Okay, mouth cancer, brain cancer. Okay, so cancer means upper part. Okay, so when your body is divided into two parts, okay, you will get a cancer in brain cancer or mouth cancer. Okay, so upper part here also in northern hemisphere means upper part. Got it? So what is Tropic of Cancer? The 23.5 degree north, 23.5 degree north. Got it? Latitude, that is called Tropic of Cancer. The 23.5 degree north latitude to the north of equator in northern hemisphere. Okay, north of equator means in northern hemisphere, that is called Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Okay, what does the sun give us? Next question. What does the sun give us? Do you know what does the sun give? Light and heat. Okay, normal answer. The sun gives us the light and heat. Okay, what does the sun give us? The sun gives us light and heat. Next question is, what are zones and which are they? Okay, what are zones? Here definition is there. And next question, how many they are, which are they? Okay, two things are here. Okay, so what are zones? My dear student, on the basis of heat and light, on the basis of heat and light, the amount, okay, this is on the basis of heat and light received from the sun, the earth is divided into different parts, and that is called zone. Okay, on the basis of heat and the amount of light received by the earth, received by the earth from the sun, received by the earth from the sun is called, okay, my dear student, here on the basis of heat, temperature and amount of light received from the sun, the earth is divided into different parts, and that is called zones. Okay, the heat and light received by the earth from the sun, and because of that the earth is divided into different parts. Okay, and that is called zones. Okay, next question is, how many zones are there and which are they? Okay, so there are three zones. How many zones are there? There are three zones. Okay, first one is tropical, means tropical means the area lying between two tropics, tropic of Cancer and tropic of Capricorn. Okay, the area means 23.5 degree N till 23.5 degree S. Okay, this area, that is called tropical or torrid zone. Second one is temperate zone, area between tropic of Cancer till Arctic Circle and tropic of Capricorn till Antarctic Circle. Okay, that is called temperate zone. And last one is frigid zone, means the area lying between Arctic Circle till North Pole and Antarctic Circle till South Pole, that is called frigid zone. Okay, here plenty of heat is there. Here sun rays are falling slanting. That's why always remaining frozen. Here sun rays fall straight, always hot temperature. Okay, so there are three zones. Which are they? Tropical zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Next time we will discuss about more question answer. Thank you.